Hi, do you want to learn how to install Google Chrome extension on your mobile device? In this tutorial, I'm going to show you step-by-step procedure on how to install your favorite Google Chrome extension on your Android devices. Without any further ado, let's dive in. First, navigate to your Play Store. On your Play Store, search for Kiwi Browser. This is the browser we are going to be using to install Google Chrome extension on our mobile devices. As you can see, I already have Kiwi Browser installed, but it requires I update it, so I'm going to update my browser. I'll wait for it to get updated. Just be patient. It's a very light browser and it should be updated in no distant time. Yes, as you can see, it is 99% done and it will soon be updated. So it's installing the packages for me already. Yes. Okay. Then my browser is fully updated. I will click open. I'll wait for the browser to load. As you can see, my browser has been loaded. So click on the three dot icon on the right. Click on extensions. As you can see, extension. Click on the extensions. Click OK. Now you can see that I already have vidIQ Vision for YouTube extension installed on my browser. So you just click on From Store button to add a new extension anytime you want to add a new extension. Now click on the search bar up there and type in the extension you wish to install on your mobile device. For me, I'm going to install the Tablish extension, which is used to change the background of our tab anytime we navigate to a new tab. Click on Tablish and press the search button. As you can see, this is the Tablish extension. I'll click on it, allow it to load. You can zoom out to see. Click on Add to Chrome. Wait for it to get added. Press OK. Wait for it to get added to your Chrome. As you can see, the Tablish extension has been added to our Chrome. So if I navigate to a new tab now, it should start working by default. Yes, my new extension is perfectly working. The background image has changed. If I click on the button, it will change the background for me. If I click on the button, it changes it to different background for me. If I click, it changes to different background. So that is the function of the Tablish extension. You may also want to download another extension. Just go back to the extension store. Click, search for the extension you wish to install, and that is it. So after installing your extension, you may want to see the list of extensions already installed on your browser. It's very simple. Just click on the three dot icon again and you scroll down. You see the list of extensions installed. These are the two extensions I have. Tablish that we just installed now, and the vidIQ Vision for YouTube I have already installed. So that's how to check your extension. If you enjoyed this video, kindly like, subscribe to my channel for more exciting and educative video. Thank you.